VMware by Broadcom, let's quickly cover CPU minimum cores. We know that for some people the 16 core minimums is a big issue, but let's be realistic. Why are you doing this in the first place? As we investigated with many, it's like you are doing that to avoid licenses from another vendor. So the question is, who is the bad guy here? Is the bad guy really VMware by Broadcom, who wants to get you a high core utilization? Or is the bad guy actually the other vendor who actually limits you and only gives you a decent license pricing if you actually are utilizing hardware, which from an economical perspective doesn't really make any sense anymore, because we have CPUs with 30, 40, 50, 60 cores in some scenarios. So let's be realistic here, what makes sense and what doesn't make any sense. So let that alone. Some people said it's like, yeah, Hawk immediately implemented that. If you are actually looking at the subscription models from VMware, some of that was already in the subscription model with vSphere Plus, and there was also a limit introduced with 32 cores, which actually limited you on the upper end quite a while ago with vSphere licenses. And it's interesting that many of the people who are shouting out now and with very, very under the line wordings haven't actually cried out when it was about the limit for the 32 cores. Could it be that it's absolutely fine if someone increases prices for enterprise licenses and for the high-end customers, but it's not fine if it's being done for the smaller and medium-sized ones? It's affecting everybody. IT costs are going through the roof. That's true for everybody. But let's face it, if you are blaming VMware by Broadcom for your Microsoft licensing issue, then you should blame Microsoft at the same point in time as well. So leave me in the comments what you think about this. Stay safe, stay clean, and let's make the best out of it. See you soon.